I actually never thought that I would be doing one of these videos. Like as a kid, I never thought that I would be, the strange family member or the black sheep or, the exiled one or the forgotten one. But I always had that inkling in the back of my mind when I was a kid, like, I might be that one that never talks to anybody that you know, therefore, I might be that one who, is constantly being pointed the finger at. You know what I mean? Like, they're always pointing the finger at you. And this situation is literally the confirmation that I did the right thing by disassociating from the people in my family, because they do things like this, and then when a person reacts, whether it be a common reaction or bad reaction, you're the blame.